Okay, so now here's the beet. And I'm going to cut it up. I always cut the top off and the bottom. And then I just peel it as thin as I possibly can. Can you see that? Because I want to get as much of the beet as I possibly can. So you want to peel it real thin. Because I used to cut them and I'd be cutting half the beet away. So now I take my time and I cut the beet slowly but surely gets the job done. And kind of tough around these corners, but all you have to do is take your time and peel it. There's one. Toss that in the garbage. And slice them up thin, because this is a baby juicer. I'm used to that big juicer where you just throw things in. Not with this one, it's slow. So I cut them up in little bitty pieces. Yep. Put those in there. And then get one more beet. And once again, cut that tip off. It was a big tip, wasn't it? Yeah, no. And then you just start peeling, just like an apple. Who knew beets could taste so good? And who knew that beets is what saved me? Because I actually I developed diabetes 10 years ago, 2013 I believe it was. Yeah, 2013. Probably had it before then. I was just diagnosed because I was pre-diabetic for a very long time, for 10 years. So my sister went to a farm downstate. She's like the health nut in the family. Or I should not say health nut, but the conscious one in the family. And she goes to these annual events, and a lady was there who reversed type 2 diabetes, and she shared the story. My sister shared the story with her that her sister, me, had diabetes. And if she would share it with me, she says, of course she would. She shared it with me and use it. So I shared it and I used it. And then I found out about some other ingredients from my sister, Vivian, who says, add these in it too. So I've been using, and I'll tell you about those later. But this is not the diabetic drink. This is celery and beets for first thing in the morning. This is a great breakfast, clears your mind. Thank you, Asada, because she's the one who told me about it. I was always doing my apple, beet, cucumber, lemon, ginger, kale, turmeric, and some other stuff. But when she mentioned this, because she had a stroke last year, and she used this for clarity to get her head back right. And I was like, okay, and it revitalizes the body. Anyway, long story short, let's juice. Because juicing is good for you, so let's see. I'm going to put a handful of them in there and see what happens. And it's turning. Slowly but slowly. I'm going to put them all in there. And then I'll hold it up so you can see. Because it's slow, very long. So you see, that's already half full. So let's see how much beet juice you got here. And then I'm going to pull it up here so you can see inside. Can you see that? It's real slow. But the juice is coming out. See the juice? Juice is coming out right here. Right there. It's slow. Slow as a thing. Okay, so that was one. No, was that 2 beets? That was 2 beets. So I'm going to get 2 more beets and see if we can filled it up. Takes a lot of beets, I see. Okay, we'll be back in a minute.